This is the Voom Sonic Pro 7 Series Sonic Toothbrush. It's got 5 speeds, a 2-minute timer, and a quadrant pacer. It's 100% waterproof. I'm gonna unbox it and see what we have, and then I'm gonna brush my teeth. Okay, so we have an instruction manual. There is a wall plug adapter. This is the charging dock for it. It's got a couple of brush heads in there. I'll go ahead and take one of these out because I'm going to use it. So there's one of the brush heads. And then the toothbrush body itself. Spot like that. So take that brush head and we will snap it on. It's got several different modes here. You just press it once and that's white mode, clean mode, sensitive mode, gum care, and deep clean. So I'm gonna brush my teeth with it and we'll see what happens. Put a little toothpaste on there. It's got a little red blinking light letting me know that it probably needs to be charged. I didn't charge it. I just used whatever battery it had when it came out of the box. That was my first time using a Sonic toothbrush. I enjoyed it. I didn't have to press or bear down as hard as I did with my old toothbrush. I like the quadrant timer. So you do one quadrant of your mouth until it pauses, move to the next quadrant, go until it pauses, and so on until you've gotten all 4 quadrants of your mouth done, and then it stops. It's kind of handy to help you know how long you should be brushing for. I like that feature. I really didn't have a good concept of how long I was brushing my teeth for. To charge it, you just take the toothbrush and you place it on its charging dock. It has a magnetic bottom with induction charging, and it looks nice and sleek.